Hey folks, in this video we're going to be talking about something called concept mapping. Now, concept map is sort of like a mind map in that it is a way of showing how ideas are sort of related to each other. But as we will explore, it links concepts together and usually has a bit more detail. We have a very simple concept map here. We have two concepts, and the way that we use a concept map is that we read in the direction of an arrow starting from a particular concept. So for example, we would start here. A concept is an idea which we can link to another concept. You can't say concept which we can link to another, a concept is an idea. So you always have to follow through the direction of the arrows that it points. So that's really the key detail that you need to understand when using a concept map. So let's look at an example that's a bit more scientific. We have two different concepts here. So a concept is an idea, and they are, although they are different, they might be some links. So we have energy and we have photosynthesis. So energy, well, if we started here, remember we have to go with the direction of the arrow. We can't go back this way, so instead we will follow. Energy is how much a system can change. Energy can enter the earth through different processes, for example, photosynthesis. You will notice that this sentence here actually starts with the word energy and ends with the word photosynthesis. So a concept map is really writing sentences using these key ideas. Now, the utility of this is if we were to say add more concepts, and you could add 5 or 10 or anything like that, you can have many links between all of these. And the reason we are going to be starting to use this now is learning the definition of a word by itself is all right, but the moment you can link it to other forms of language, other ideas, your sense of learning becomes richer and deeper and you can use it more successfully.